Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja was earlier today taken to task by the Senate Education Committee over the manner his administration was managing the early childhood development education in the city. He is part of the proceeding during the grilling exercise.
That we've done, and just think about it. If in 10 years Nairobi has had governors and the mayors, we've had almost 4 governors. We had Governor Kidero, Sonko, Kananu, NMS. In 10 years, they did 3 billion. In 2 years, they did 2 billion. In 10 years, 3 billion. In 2 years, 1.88 to be precise, billion. It's just this last year that the control of budget stopped us. But I'm glad even after yesterday's meeting, we're going to resume. And it's good for me using this platform to tell the parents of Nairobi that our program is resuming for bursaries and scholarships.
With the education, especially for children in Nairobi. We take a short commercial break. We'll be back with much more right here on News Desk.